YouTube family, what's good with y'all, man? We back, man. Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay once again, man. And all for the newcomers, hey man, it's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy. Make sure that y'all tap in, rock out with the fam where we do a lot of lace swaps, a lot of copping, a lot of dope on feats, a lot of dope reviews, all that good stuff over here, man. So make sure y'all started off by hitting that subscribe button. If you ain't already subscribed, man, I think that we gonna hit that 70K mark by the end of the year, but I don't want to just hit 70. I'm thinking like maybe 71, 72 might be pushing it, but I'm gonna say 71, man. So hey, if y'all would help, tap in, hit that subscribe button. I'm about to drop a ton of videos for y'all this month, so make sure that y'all got y'all notification bells on, and make sure that you do not miss any of the upcoming videos, because your boy will be bang giving away a pair of Cool Gray 11s, man. So yes, your boy will be giving away a pair of Cool Gray 11s, so you do not want to miss out on the details on how to enter the giveaway for the 2021 Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays, icy blue outsoles, high cut patent leather, all that good stuff, man, just like the OGs, man. So look, trust me, that's something you do not want to miss out on. So make sure that you are watching the full, when I say the full, the entirety of all the upcoming videos, so you do not miss a chance on winning a pair of Cool Gray 11s, as well as appreciate that Soul Premise, my fam over there at Soul Premise, bang, a Soul Premise bag, man. So your boy will be giving away both of these, man. First place winner will get a pair of the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Second place winner, I got a premium luxury bag from my fam over at Soul Premise, man. So trust me, you do not want to miss out on this giveaway. This can store up to 6 pairs of shoes if you are size 9, 10 ish, and about 4 to 5, maybe 5 if you're like, you know, 11, 12 and up. But yes, it is a very premium bag. I tell y'all about it all the time, man. And this bag is you know, pretty pricey. It's actually probably more than the Cool Gray 11s are going for, but I'm sure that the first place winner, look, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let y'all pick. If you win first place, you can pick from a Soul Premise bag or the Cool Gray 11s, but I already know what y'all gonna pick. But yes, man, I will be giving away a Soul Premise bag, like I said, very dope. And besides the giveaway, man, look, make sure that you grab one of these Soul Premise bags today, man. This is the best way to travel, the best quality like traveling bag that I know of. I don't do the Louis Vuittons and all that stuff when I'm traveling, so this is just perfect for my traveling needs, man. So make sure that y'all tap in, grab y'all a Soul Premise bag. Like I said, it can carry up to all the shoes that you have and all your laptops, your clothes, the list goes on. But make sure that y'all grab a Soul Premise bag, as well as watch the upcoming videos, so that you can enter in for a chance to win the Jordan 11 Cool Grays and or the Soul Premise bag, man. So with all that out the way, we got some shoes to talk about, man. Let's get it. Appreciate y'all, man, for the retail W. Appreciate y'all. Bang, man. Hey, if y'all watched my last video, your boy did pick up a pair of these, but it wasn't my pair. So this officially right here, as you can see, is your boy's pair, man. This is a size 9. So A-Mod did come through, man, and I think actually, bro, that they have actually one of the dopest, like, bot-free, you know, systems when it comes to copying their shoes manually, because it was like a two-step stage that you had to go through in order to, you know, get in line in order to purchase these shoes. And your boy had a 20-minute wait, and you know, I was just biting my nails, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, 20 minutes? That's a whole lot of time, bruh. 20 minutes is a whole lot of time to be waiting in line for some shoes, but I waited. It went through its 20-minute phase, and your boy got some A-Mod ones, but I'm not the biggest fan of them. Of course, you know, I will keep them. They will stay in the collection 100%. Why wouldn't they? Retail pickup. And I'm a hype beast, you know, ain't no shame in my game, you know. Just because I got that A-Mod on there, that's enough for me. But I did a poll on this shoe, you know, and shout out to everybody that follow me on Instagram. If you don't already, follow me at JTSG on Instagram. But shout out to everybody that follow me on Instagram, because y'all some real ones. Y'all kept it a buck, man, because y'all told me, which I don't know, I'm not gonna say it's keeping it a buck. Y'all just, I don't want to say sided with me, which that is what y'all did. Y'all agree with my opinion. The majority did, but you know, I don't want to discredit anybody else's opinion. You know, like the homie Mike Rich, he said he's with the A-Miles all day. He is taking these all day over the Jordan 1 Bordeaux, you know, and you know, I ain't mad at them. They clean, you know. It all depends on how you style them, how you rock them. So, you know, it's all opinionated. But me personally, I think the better looking shoe out of the two is the Bordeaux Jordan 1s, man. So, you know, the majority, as you can see right there, the majority picked the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. No hype, no none of that stuff, going for right around retail Jordan 1 Bordeaux. And I was like, thank you. The hype has just been blown away by a GR for once. You know what I'm saying? That's something that you don't normally see, but just keeping it real. You know what I'm saying? If we take away the A-Mile branding, as I said in my last video, this is just, you know, a regular plain Air Jordan 1, cracked leather on it. It's sitting. You're going to your malls right. I'm not gonna say right now, holiday seasons, they're gonna be sold, but you're going to your mall and you're finding a pair here and there. Just keeping it a buck. But that's enough with the A-Mile talk. I just wanted to let y'all know your boy has his personal in hand, and I will do an on-feet review to these, man. I'm gonna throw some sole protectors on there and do all that good stuff. A-Mile ones, man, that's enough talking about them. Let's see what your boy done picked up, man. Let's get it. Ooh, appreciate y'all, man. Right on time, man. Dang, man, shout out to my delivery man for getting, shout out to everybody that handled this package for getting it here to me, you know, in one piece, man, because a lot of packages right now are not showing up to their destination. And also, before I go any further, shout out to my bro, The Vintage, man. The Vintage, check out The Vintage and grab some of his unknown merch, man. He got a dope clothing brand out there, man. Support that man because, hey, his stuff is dope, and it's not just saying it just because he the homie. It's dope. As you can see, I got it on with this sweater I got on. Matches perfectly, man. So, dope, man. Shout out to the boy, The Vintage, man. Appreciate you, homie. But, yes, sir, man. Your boy got this package, and it's crazy. This what's in here right now is a lot of orders have been getting canceled. People have been just reneging on them because the price on them shot up, man. If you know, you know. The prices on this shoe have shot up, man. And you know, people be telling me to speak on it, but there's no sense in me speaking on it, bro, because it's just the cycle of life. You know what I'm saying? Whenever something happens to somebody, like if a painter dies, what happens to his paintings? Prices go up. You know what I'm saying? If anything happens to anyone, you know what I'm saying? Like the value of that stuff is gonna increase. You know what I'm saying? So we can't hide the fact of the reality of what goes on. You know what I'm saying? It happens everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it is what it is, man. It's just, it's capitalists out there for any and every little thing that happens in this world, man. So it is what it is. But enough of me chit-chatting, man. I know y'all ready to see what it is. If y'all haven't fast forwarded. If y'all haven't, I appreciate y'all, man. But yeah, man, your boy had to pick these up, and I'm glad I bought them when I did, because like I said, the prices on this shoe have shot. When I say shot, they shot up, man. But what goes up must come down. Unless it's a Travis Scott fragment or something like that. Or Chicago Off-White. Them joints doing numbers, but oh, let me let it sink in right quick, boy. Let me let it sink in. I got them. They made it to me. Whew. Yes. Bang. Taking a look at that, man. Can you see what that says? You see what that says right there? You got a little bit of Off-White stuff written right there if the light is allowing you to see that. But let me take it out, man. Finally got these joints. Shout out to Jumper Man Chris too, because I ain't gonna hold you. Jumper Man Chris really like guided me on when to pull the trigger on these. He was like, hey, pull the trigger now. And it was the best time to pull the trigger because it was the lowest price that they got before they went up and blah blah blah. So shout out to him too, man. You know, you gotta listen to people who know a little bit more about this market of the sneaker stuff than you do at times, and you know, soak it all in. But bang, man, your boy got that Air Jordan Off-White 2-box in hand right here, man. As you can see, it's very dope presentation on it, man. So you do got that like cream color lid with the 2 holes in it, the Jordan Wings logo, and then you got a all over clear bottom, man. So I did see a pair of these at my homie KFYS Joe's event. However, I didn't see this pair. So first things first, on the top, I do have a receipt. So I do have a receipt, and I'm not gonna show it because I got my address and all that stuff on there, but I do have a receipt. Got this from StockX, man. So shout out to StockX. Like I said, I'm glad I pulled the trigger when I did, because just a couple days ago, 2-3 days ago, the prices of these shot up, but I've been had my order in. But anyways, man, they got them wrapped up in, like, they got them wrapped up like some bricks. StockX, like I said, man, they got them wrapped up like some bricks in here. But anyways, each shoe comes individually wrapped up, as you can see, man. So let me just take one out. Let me set this to the back real quick. Set that behind me. All right, hey, stay tuned. Y'all want to learn how to get into that giveaway, but I know y'all like, bro, you just doing a whole lot of talking, but I got to, man. I got to interact with y'all, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions about anything you see in the description, but open it up, man. Like I said, it's individually wrapped. First time seeing these in hand, and yes, sir. Got them guys, man. Yes. Let me hide this StockX tag. StockX, as I said, man, but yes, man. Let me let it sink in real quick, man. I'm a hype beast because I don't own no Jordan 2s, but shout out to Virgil, man. Rest in peace to Virgil, man. Man. Yeah. Bang! Your boy got the Jordan 2 off-white and the white and red, the OG joints, you know what I'm saying? So yes, man, I had to grab these, and like I said, I saved myself close to 800 bucks, 700 bucks to the price that they're going to right now by buying them when I did, man. So I'm glad I pulled the trigger when I did, because like I said, the prices of these shot up, man. Even the black pair shot up, and not too many people care for the black pair, but they shot up as well, man. But yes, here they go right here, the Jordan 2 off-white colorway, and in my opinion, they are not worth that price spike, you know what I'm saying? The 15s, the 16, the 1700s, like, nah, it ain't worth that, man. And it's actually a pretty heavy shoe, man. So whatever they put into this midsole, man, it got it weighing, you know what I'm saying? It's real heavy. So it does come with an extra set of 2 laces right here, as you can see. And man, we ain't gonna play with these. These going on feet. These joints is going on feet, man. So yo, man, your boy got them off-white 2 joints in the collection, man. Rest in peace to Virgil, man. Just a mastermind at what he did in the fashion world. They had a big event for him in Miami. I think it was the day before yesterday, or yesterday. It was probably yesterday, but depending on when you watch this video. But yeah, man, this art, man. Shout out to Virgil again. But yes, I had to grab these. They in the collection, man. So appreciate y'all for watching another one of the vids, man. Throwing these on feet, so y'all will see that sometime this month. And stay tuned for the giveaway on how to enter in and win yourself a pair of the Air Jordan 11 Cool Greys. But other than that, man, we got both shoes right here. We got the Jordan 2 off-whites, Jordan 11 Cool Greys giveaway coming soon. Grab you a Soul Premise bag, man. Make sure y'all do that. Use the promo code in the description. But other than that, man, that's it for this one. Y'all stay blessed. Whole lot of videos coming this month, man. So with all that being said, I'm gone, man. Peace.